Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 150 with a market cap of about $207 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18.93 million, and today we would be looking at some very interesting price action, right? Technical analysis and price predictions for the chart right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so without further ado, let us move to the chart. And today we would be discussing the AI or artificial intelligence price prediction right here for YFI this week, right? Because we are on the chart, as you can see, for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And as you can see, this AI basically just uses coefficient analysis and also regression analysis to be able to forecast what will happen right here for any coin, and in this case YFI. And what the AI is saying right here is that we could see a huge push to the upside right here for YFI. So basically the AI is saying we could see a push of about 8% for YFI this week. And so the AI is saying we could see that push begin as early as tomorrow, Monday. We could see that push to the upside right here to $6,788. And towards the end of next week, right there from Friday towards the weekend, we could see another push right back down, right? So basically just in some sort of big range where we could see an 8%, a gain of 8% towards the beginning of the week, and then we could lose that same 8% towards the end of the week, right? Also, if we look at our own indicator right here, we have shrinking. Our rings are shrinking, which basically mean we could see continuous sideways action. But let me know, which do you believe, right? Do you believe the AI, we said we could see a huge breakout to the upside, or our indicator, which basically is just saying we could just see continuous consolidation right here for YFI? So let me know in the comment section, do you like this do you believe what the AI is saying, or do you believe the analysis, right? The indicator right here. So which do you believe, right? And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be giving you daily updates as regards YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.